The other day I mixed up some molds for a party that was getting ready to come in, and I wanted to show you just how easy it is. This is a casting mold. There it is. And it comes out bright white and perfect every time. I absolutely just love it. It cannot go wrong. So you mix it up. It's just the powder and some water. And I've mixed this up so many times I don't even measure it. But I think it's like 3-to-1. But I will show you the consistency here of what it should be like. But kind of like a pancake mix is how I would probably best describe it. And I mix it up just a little each time just to make sure that I can pour one full mold at a time. So see, that's just a little bit runny, but almost to the right consistency. The runnier, the longer it takes to set up. A little bit thicker, it'll set up faster. And generally, this will harden and get set up within 30 minutes. But I do like to let it sit out for a couple of days just to make sure that it's solid and dry. And then that way when they paint, it doesn't like come up. The moisture doesn't want to come up through the paint. So it's just this powder mix and water. And then you pour it into the silicone mold, and within 30 minutes, you can pop them out. I absolutely love it because it comes out bright white. The link for the products will be down in the description, and I absolutely cannot say enough. It's hard as a rock. Like, I have dropped this product after coming out of a mold on my floor, and it didn't break. I can't say enough good things. Anyway, we pour these molds, and then, like I said, in about 30 minutes, they are hardened and ready to pop out. And then I do let them set out for a couple of days just to harden a little bit more. Just wait till you see what the girls have done with these at their party. I generally will shake it around and bounce it, just like if you're mixing a cake, to get those air pockets and the air bubbles to rise to the surface and pop. And that way there's no air trapped into the mix, and it is then really hard. I do try to clean up the edge of the mold a bit just by running my finger around it. If you leave a mold in your container that you're mixing, it will harden and you will lose that mold. I also recommend that if you are done mixing and you're done setting with your molds and you have leftover, do not wash it down your drain. It will totally ruin your pipes. Just let it harden, or throw it in a container, mix it in a cup, a plastic cup that you can throw away. I use a silicone bowl, and then that way it'll just pop out and I can reuse my bowl over and over again for this product only. So do not put it down your drain. It hardens up like concrete. You will ruin your pipes. That is a full-on disclaimer. Don't come crying to me if you put it down your drain. I have told you, do not put it down your drain. Just let it harden and throw it away. This product is not that expensive to try to save it, and there is no saving it. But save your drains. Just throw it away. Here's that product again. Again, I'll link it down below, but it's amazing. Okay, 20-30 minutes have gone by and we're ready to unmold it or demold it. And it is absolutely perfection. Now just wait till you see what the kids have done with them. We do a lot of pressed flower workshops in our business, and so they actually paint these and then they put in their pressed flowers, and then I put resin on top of them, so then it seals it all in. They did a really great job. If you like seeing what we do here at the Hive, please like, comment, subscribe, and just follow us for inspiration.